Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the iRoofing app is and how it's positioned. According to official sources, iRoofing is a mobile software platform designed specifically for roofing contractors to measure roofs, create estimates, and manage projects from a single app. It allows users to generate roof measurements using satellite, aerial, drone, or blueprint images, which is presented as a core function. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on verified information, the app falls under construction and contractor tools, focusing on roofing workflows like estimating, visualization, and sales management. Official descriptions state that users can create instant roof estimates by applying material costs and project details directly within the app. It also includes a roof visualizer, which allows contractors to simulate different materials and colors on a customer's home image before installation. Another documented feature is a digital pitch detector and inspection tools, which help measure roof angles and generate reports. According to official information, the app provides access to large product catalogs from roofing manufacturers, enabling material selection during estimates. The platform also supports organizing customer data, storing job photos and documents, and managing project workflows in one place. There are additional tools for generating proposals, invoices, and even signing contracts digitally within the app. Some official information mentions AI-powered visualizations and automation features, which may help speed up estimating and presentation tasks, although exact capabilities can vary. This may indicate a workflow that combines measurement, estimation, and sales into a single mobile platform rather than separate tools. This app may be useful for roofing contractors who want to streamline measurements, estimates, and customer presentations. For users interested in managing roofing projects and creating proposals directly from a mobile device, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.